Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today you can see we're going to carry on with doing some box openings. I still have 6 boxes here and I'm sure my next watch for November's on its way, so we got to keep cracking along. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that 421 Venice. This was the watch that was in the last box opening. I actually really like this one so far. There are a few complaints that I might have, so definitely stay tuned for the follow-up review on that one, but I am digging it. Now, so far, I don't know if this was a wheel spin watch, if it was my higher level wheel spin watch. I used a bunch of points for the different birthday wheel spins that Watchgang had, and so I had 4 watches from the wheel spin. I've got my monthly subscription watch here, and I have some other watches thrown in the mix. So we're gonna keep on opening up stuff and see what we got. Also, guys, if you're looking to save some money, make sure you check the links below. I've got discount codes and promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're looking to sign up for Watchgang, make sure you click my link below as well, because it'll get you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points, and help me keep showing you guys some more watches. And it looks like we have another 421 Venice. I hope it's not the same. I did hear a few people kind of complaining that some of their wheel spin watches they got duplicates, but let's go ahead and crack this one open and see what we got. Well, it is definitely not the same as what's on my wrist, so that's a bonus there. Wow, this one kind of feels a little bit lighter. Automatico Bronzo. I wonder if that's real bronze. Bronze watch, sapphire crystal, automatic movement. Nice. Now I didn't see... Oops, I threw the box on the ground. I didn't see anything in the box saying that this was my monthly Watchgang Black membership watch. So I'm assuming this is another one of the birthday wheel spins. So far, I am digging this one as well. It's actually kind of a cool brown color. One of the old cars I work on my other channel is an old Dodge Dart that's about that same color brown. I've been a big fan of bronze lately. I have quite a few pieces now that are bronze. I don't always wear brown, but pretty cool, and it's another automatic. So I'm definitely going to have to do some research on these 421 Venices to see the actual details on them. And like I said, I'm kind of wondering which tier level of the birthday wheel I actually got here. So far, I am digging the look of this one, and I really don't know much about the 421 Venice brand. I need to do some research on this one, as well as the other one there, but kind of cool, a little bit different than my normal style, but I am digging bronze quite a bit lately, so I like it. It'll be interesting to see if that's a real bronze that will patina up over time, or if it's just a coating, but not too shabby. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.